All right, welcome back, you guys. Still our 2014 Camaro, kind of finessing the front fender so we can get everything, all these panels aligned. This is gonna be funny for most people. And I know you're thinking to yourself, well, you got these body bolts that normally fit in here for this fender. However, we like to trick everybody out with the ARP bolts. You know, they're stronger than grade 8 bolts. And, you know, they're not case hardened, they're through hardened, which is kind of a unique process with ARP. And I'm sure you're thinking to yourself, Willie, why would you put ARP bolts in a body panel? And the answer is, well, you just wouldn't. However, we have a big case of ARP bolts, so damn if we don't use them. So check out this. All right, just roll over here. It's got some M6s. Let's see, I need some washers. Because let's be honest, ARP, well, they make everything faster, even a 6-cylinder, right? So a couple of these, a few of these guys. No, it's gonna fit in here. Gotta leave them loose because we're still kind of finessing everything, but when you can upgrade to ARP bolts, why not, right? Exactly. Also, you know, get a couple of these in.